Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down gadgets, gear, and tech essentials to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into something that every handheld Nintendo gamer has needed at some point, a replacement charger. We're taking a close look at the LBSC 3DS charger, a universal AC adapter compatible with a wide range of Nintendo handheld consoles. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's just a charger. But when your original one breaks or gets lost, finding the right replacement can be surprisingly tricky. Not every third-party charger works well, and some might even damage your device. That's why we tested this one out, to see if it delivers what it promises. Let's start with compatibility. That wide range makes it a solid one-size-fits-all replacement if you've got more than one Nintendo device at home. So whether you're dusting off your old 3DS or still gaming on your new 2DS XL, this adapter has you covered. Moving on to the charging performance, the LBSC charger delivers a steady 4.6 volts at 900 mA, which is right in line with what the original Nintendo adapters output. In our testing, the charging speed was on par with the official chargers, with no noticeable delay or overheating. The AC input supports a wide voltage range, from 100 to 240 volts, so it's perfect for travel, no matter where you're headed. Design-wise, it's compact and lightweight, and the included cable is around 3.7 feet long, which should give you enough room to play while plugged in or set it up on a desk. It feels solid, not flimsy, and the 2-pin connector fits snugly into the console's charging port, no wiggle, no loose connection. Safety features are also built in. The adapter has dual protection mechanisms to prevent overcurrent and overheating. We tested it for a few hours straight and didn't experience any abnormal heating, which is critical for a safe and long-term charging solution. Now, one cool bonus. The box includes not just the wall adapter but also a USB charging cable. That gives you more flexibility. If you're on the go, you can use the USB to charge from a power bank, laptop, or even a car charger. It's a small touch, but a smart one that makes this bundle more versatile. So, who's this charger for? Honestly, anyone who owns a Nintendo handheld from the DS or 3DS families. If your original charger is gone, broken, or just unreliable, the LBSC 3DS charger is a worthy replacement. It's simple, affordable, reliable, and safe. No bells and whistles, just a product that does what it promises, and does it well. Alright, that wraps up our hands-on review of the LBSC 3DS charger. If you've got questions or want us to compare this with other third-party chargers, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test it so you don't have to. See you in the next one.